What if I told you that one powerful choice today that could completely transform your life and bring you closer to your true purpose? Most people feel stuck because their daily actions don't align with what truly matters to them. They chase goals that leave them feeling unfulfilled and empty. And without clarity on their values and passions, they end up working hard but feeling lost, wondering, what am I even doing this for? Here are the three ways you can avoid your passive life and begin your active life. Number one, take a moment to reflect on your core values. What drives you and make you come alive? Number two, set goals that truly align with your passions and purpose. So every step forward feels more meaning in your life. Number three, create daily habits that support those goals and bring you closer to the life you are meant to live. If you are ready to uncover your purpose and design a life of fulfillment and financial growth, join my free webinar, Unlock Your Purpose, Unleash Your Destiny. Link in the comments. Click the link, register your name. See you inside. Don't wait. Your transformation starts now. Thank you.